Hello friends, welcome to Omega Stock Pro. This week, welcome to the next week Nifty View video. And in this video, I'm going to discuss some of the important points uh, regarding the trend change for a short term in Nifty. Okay. The first thing is I have taken a daily chart. In this daily chart, you are observing that this is RSI. RSI is in the above 70 levels, and here, and you can see, and it made a higher high, but the index price was moving up, and the RSI here at the weekly, you can see this the daily chart and how it has drastically fallen. So this is the head and shoulder pattern which has formed in the RSI. So what happens generally, a good correction comes at this time. So in the previous videos I was usually used to tell you. So this is the hourly chart that we have to buy around somewhere here, so that we can see generally it happens like this. In an hourly chart, it comes below 39, 40 and 30 levels and bounces back. Okay, but this time it is not like that. So I have taken other setup also. There will be a good correction as far as my trading setup is showing the signals. So wait for a good correction, and then you can enter into the market when there is a good divergence is forming in the hourly chart or 30-minute chart, whichever the time frame you uh, are comfortable with. Okay, so regarding the FII DII activities, so FII they have bought around 11,000 crores, 627 crores, and DIIs are selling. Okay, in the F&O sector, if you see, the FIIs have shorted the index, and they bought the options also. So when you combine all these things, I'll show you another thing. So they were buying on the 11th August, they bought heavily. And what is the 11th August chart is saying, we'll say. So somewhere here, I don't know on which stock they have bought, but anyway, the index has come down, closing all the, if you see, around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 trading sessions, if I take the weekly chart. So the last 3 to 4, 5 trading sessions, it has totally pulled down. So we must be very much alert. We should not aggressively buy at this point. We must wait for a normal good correction, at least to 500 to 600 points. So then only we can let this divergence be cleared off. Okay. So on 11th of August also, when the market was at peak, they bought for 1000 crores. Another thing what is happening is that we have to analyze the futures data also. When the index futures is being short, and in the cash positions they are buying. See, if you the last few days we are seeing that here on 3rd August they have bought, and here it is very less. So in the index futures, if you see, that much of amount they have already shorted. So what is happening? They are buying in the cash market and selling the index futures, or which is very correlated to the index stocks, which is very much in correlation with the Nifty. Okay, so index put options also they have bought. So they have this is buying or selling, whatever it is. So this is the amount. So we must have a when we come to the conclusion, what is happening? Market is consolidating here. I'll show you on the chart here for the last how many trading sessions, last 2.5 weeks, and suddenly it is coming down, and there is a bearish divergence on the daily chart also. So let this divergence get completed, let a good correction like something like this happen, then we can enter into the market aggressively. We should not buy. This is video I'm making for education purpose, but you can take your call. So I not only this, my dear friends, I take the data from other setup also. I cannot show that screen on the laptop right now because of the restrictions. If I show that, then there will be a trouble. So for long term, wait for a good correction, or a short term also wait for at least see the market conditions. When there is a good buying opportunity, then only you can enter, because What happened, if you see the 15-minute chart also, it was a very good crash, and see how the crash has happened. Since in the 15-minute chart in the hourly time frame it is low, there will be a small bounce back, but that does not mean that the market has reversed. So many people are saying they are very much bullish, they are taking the market up to 13,000, 14,000, 15,000 also. But wait, in what aspect the market is going to 15,000 is very important. So when the index management is going on, so when the taking short positions in the market is completely restricted, so market will generally shoot up. There is no doubt about it. And to take the market to the upper side, then only all these things are being done. What will happen if immediately the restriction on the taking short position is being removed? So let the information come. As far as my knowledge and the technical trading setup which is coming out, people already knew that this month the taking short positions, that restriction will be removed. So wait for a good opportunity to enter into the market. So I'm not taking option chain because of the new option chain criteria, the margin regulation, where people are speculating, that is very becoming very difficult to identify. Only in the intraday movements we can identify by seeing the price action and the accumulation and reduction on the open interest. So rest all things during the live market we can see, friends. And last week also there was a very good performance in the Telegram group which I have given the stocks, and none of the stock hit the stop loss. So it is very important. After much difficulty, I have come to the setup by how to select the stock for intraday, and I myself trade all those stocks. Not in almost all, I basically trade in index, but people are very fearful in trading the index and index options. For them, I give suggestions, technical setup, and there's those levels in the stocks. So this week I'm bearish. Matlab, I'm not fully bearish on the market, but we must understand either this high, that is last week high. I am speaking of this one. Until and unless this is broken with the good volume and support and money flow, we cannot say that this level is broken. So during here also you can see a similar pattern. In this candle I have already explained that market has touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and in the fifth time it has come down. And the same you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it has taken some resistance, and it is coming down. So you must be very much alert. If I die trend line also adjoining this base level, so around still more space is left. So be alert next week, and don't take a short position immediately. We have to see the price action also. People buy long options because the volatility index is coming down. So in this scenario, what will happen? The options which is only at the money options are near what we say, only near options will work. Where if you take too much long options, those options may not work. So we must see the volatility on intraday basis, then we can see. So once if the index opens, basically on Monday my index has to open upside, because it has taken support around here at 20 or 25 moving average, and slowly, just to deceive the people, market may move upside. But when there was a big correction, market will consolidate 1 hour or 1.5 hour here, then it may come downside. I'm not saying that market will, but I think this time it is difficult. It will take some time and consolidate around here, then only it has to give a breakout or breakdown. So it is forming a box. Let it complete the box, and the downside is around 11,000. So market is around 200 points on the upper side. So wait for that correction, and then you can enter. So without consolidation, it is not going to break in a single day. So this is all for the next week Nifty view, and manage your risk, trade as per your risk appetite. Don't take heavy too much of positions on the long side, and be on the Telegram, friends. You can join the Telegram. Just type Omega Stock Pro. There will be a big alpha symbol pointing out to the upper side. You can join that Telegram channel. I will be posting my daily next day trading calls on that, just for educational purpose, and you can use that levels along with your analysis. So this is all for today. Bye bye.